Hey there, financial freedom seekers. Today, we're diving into the world of index funds, your ticket to building long-term wealth without needing a finance degree. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand why these investment powerhouses are a game changer for your money. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are index funds and why should you care? Imagine you're at a buffet, but instead of food, it's a spread of stocks. An index fund is like filling your plate with a little bit of everything. It tracks a specific market index, giving you instant diversification. It's like having a slice of the entire stock market pie in one neat package. Here's the kicker: index funds typically outperform actively managed funds over time. Why? Because they're not trying to beat the market. They are the market. It's like the tortoise and the hare, but in this race, slow and steady really does win. Now, let's talk about some top-performing index funds that should be on your radar. First up, we have the Vanguard S&P 500 VU. This fund tracks the 500 largest US companies. It's like having a VIP pass to the biggest players in the American economy. Think Apple, Amazon, and Google all in one fund. Next, there's the Vanguard Total Stock Market VTI. This bad boy covers the entire US market. It's like zooming out on Google Maps. You're not just seeing the big cities, but every town and village too. You get exposure to small, medium, and large companies all at once. For those who want even more diversity, check out the SCHB US Broad Market SCHB. This fund gives you low-cost exposure to over 2,500 stocks. It's like casting the widest net possible in the sea of US stocks. And here's a gem for the beginners out there: the Fidelity Zero Total Market FZROX. The best part, it has no expense ratio. That's right, zero fees. It's like getting a free ticket to the investment party. Speaking of fees, let's talk about why they matter so much. Imagine you're saving for retirement and you have to index funds to choose from. They both track the same index, but one charges a 0.5% fee while the other charges just 0.05%. Seems like a small difference, right? Well, let's do some quick math. This brings us to the power of long-term holding. Let's use a real-life example to show you how magical this can be. Meet Sarah. She's 25 and decides to invest $500 a month in a low-cost index fund. She keeps this up for 30 years, earning an average annual return of 7%. By the time Sarah's 55, her investment would have grown to over $600,000, and that's assuming she never increases her monthly contribution. It's like planting a tiny seed and watching it grow into a money tree over time. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This sounds great, but how do I actually start investing in these funds? Good news, it's easier than you might think. You can buy index funds through platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab with as little as $1 to $100, depending on the fund. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose a brokerage platform. These are like the supermarkets where you buy your index funds. 2. Open an account. It's usually free and can be done online in minutes. 3. Fund your account by transferring money from your bank. 4. Search for the index fund you want to buy using its ticker symbol like VU or VTI. 5. Place an order, specifying how much you want to invest. 6. Set up automatic investments if you want to contribute regularly without having to think about it. It's that simple. You don't need to time the market or pick individual stocks. Just choose a low-cost index fund, set up regular investments, and let time do its thing. Remember, investing in index funds is a long-term game. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth steadily over time. Think of it like a slow cooker. You set it, forget it, and come back to something delicious. One last tip: don't panic when the market dips. In fact, market downturns can be great opportunities to buy more shares at a discount. It's like finding your favorite items on sale. You get more bang for your buck. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or scary. Index funds offer a simple, effective way to grow your wealth over time. They give you diversification, low fees, and the power of compound growth, all without requiring you to become a Wall Street expert. So whether you're just starting out or looking to simplify your investment strategy, consider adding some index funds to your portfolio. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped simplify investing for you, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff financial content, and drop a comment letting me know which fund you're excited to invest in. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Here's to your financial freedom.